the most delicious chicken breast recipe for Christmas. Your guests will be delighted. First, take 2 chicken breasts and cut them into small pieces. I'm sure this recipe will be a hit in your home, ensuring each piece is even juicier, more tender, and full of irresistible flavor. After cutting, transfer the pieces to a large bowl. Now, in another bowl, crack 3 whole eggs and beat them well until they form a smooth mixture. The eggs will help bind everything together and make the chicken even more tender. Once the eggs are beaten, pour them into the bowl with the chicken and mix everything well, making sure all the pieces are coated. Now it's time to season. Add a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of salt. These seasonings are simple but enhance the flavor of the chicken in an incredible way. When the chicken is ready, add 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. The cheese will melt during cooking, making everything creamier and more delicious. Next, chop some green onions finely and add them to the bowl. The green onions bring a touch of freshness and aroma that pairs perfectly with the chicken. Mix everything together once more to incorporate all the ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the mixture. The mayonnaise will help make the dish even creamier and more flavorful. It's now time to slice the onion into rings, which will enhance the dish with their light texture and bold flavor. In a pan, add a little oil, and when it's hot, sauté the onion until it begins to brown. Now add a grated carrot to the pan with the onion. Stir well to make sure both ingredients cook properly and blend their flavors. Once sautéed, transfer this onion and carrot mixture to the bowl with the seasoned chicken. Mix everything together very well. To finish the mixture, add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix well until everything is incorporated. Now, heat a pan with a little oil. Take small portions of the mixture with a spoon and add them to the pan, shaping them into your preferred form. Fry well on both sides until golden brown and cooked through. If you're watching this recipe until now, it means you're enjoying it. So rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to help me keep making delicious recipes like this. Next, transfer the fried portions to a plate and set them aside. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a quarter of a grated cucumber, chopped parsley to taste, and 1 crushed garlic clove. Mix everything well until you get a creamy, flavorful sauce, and done. Now just serve our chicken with the sauce and enjoy this wonderful recipe. See you next time.